Hey guys, Robert Field and Bailey Munson here from Lightning Kayaks, and in this video we're going to show you how to replace the chains on your Freedom Drive for your Lightning kayak.
Alright, so now we're going to take off the chains. So you can take off the fins, it makes it a lot easier, I find. All this requires is a nose ring pliers. So you just push this pin through, pull it through on the other side, and the fin comes off easily. So now we're going to take off both of these chains. For taking off the chains, you just need a 7/16 ratchet wrench and a flathead screwdriver. I usually place the drive like this and start with this chain up here. Jam the flathead screwdriver right here against the chain hook there, and then you can loosen it. I flip it around and do the same thing up here. And this is like pretty much the same method as you would to put it back on as well. Now you can do the same here. So after you get the nut off, you can just slide it out like that. Okay, so now we're going to put the chains back on. The best way to do this is to flip the drive like such. Now you're going to take your chain. You want to look at the middle chain link. It's going to be the fourth one. You're going to take that and you're going to place it on the sprocket. The middle position on the sprocket is slightly larger. You should be able to see that. And you're going to place that fourth link right onto that larger piece. And you're going to wrap it around the sprocket and make sure they're all in the right spot. And then you can place the screws into their correct holes here. This one goes here. You're just going to hand tighten all of them at first. So you're going to flip it around like this and do the same on the other side. Get all of the chain cables up onto position on the butterfly piece here. Pinch it right there. And then you're going to flip it around. And you're going to get all four at the same time. So now we have it. So we're holding all four. You should be able to tighten all of the nuts without the cables coming off like that. If they are coming off, you may need to tighten some of the nuts and then get them to stick here, and then you can let go and tighten the rest of them. So now, using the same method we used to loosen them, we're going to do that but tighten them.
All right, so basically guys, when you're tightening these chains back down, you just want them evenly tightened. So he said a good kind of rule of thumb is get it to where the bolt on the end of that cable comes through maybe about 1/8 of an inch on all four, and then if there's still play in it, you want to kind of tighten them down sort of methodically, evenly through all four of them. So give it a few more cranks on all four, see what they feel like, and you really just want them to be snug, not super tight, but nice and snug, and again, you want them even.
Basically, you want it so that you can't quite push these off of the butterfly pieces here, but they can still wobble a little bit.
So a little bit of play in the cables on those butterfly pieces, but if you can just pull them right off, you need to tighten down those cables a little bit more.
And if you over tighten them, there will start to be friction when you do this. So as long as this is loose, it'll feel good. So now we're going to put the fins back on. Pretty simple. You just slide it onto the mast. You're going to line up this hole on the fin with the hole in the sprocket cover guard. This is a reverse pliers. It's what we use to open this guard here so that we can put the fin inside, and it clamps down on top of it. If you wiggle it, you can get these holes to line up. You're gonna take your pin, take your ring, and your needle nose pliers, and just stick the end through.
All right guys, so that's all there is to it. Removing the chains, replacing the chains, not too difficult. If you have any questions though, if you get stuck, if you need any help, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at Lightning Kayaks. support@lightningkayaks.com. We'd be happy to help you with whatever you need, rigging, replacing, fixing, let us know. But that's all we've got for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one.